Hi guys, so welcome back to Vagabond's vlog. So today I'm going to be cooking because why not? So we're going to be making a meringue, which I've heard is really hard, and it's my first time, so I don't know how it's going to go. Also, yeah, we had to go to the shops to buy some cornstarch because we didn't know we needed that until we read the recipe 5 minutes ago, so we're going to go do that. Yeah. Oh, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below. Okay, so we made it to Woolies. For aesthetics. So we found corn flour, but what even is cornstarch?
Yeah, or that one down there, and the one that's at the bottom. What does that say? That says crispy mint. Yeah, I think crispy mint is what we want.
Double mint. Remember when you showed that to me? Guys, we made it back to the car. Yeah. And we bought all the stuff and more.
All right, you need to just Google.
Hi. Okay.
Yeah, I'm really fine.
That's a lot of eggs. Put a cup of that. It is disgusting.
What is that?
Oh, it smells so bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's an off egg.
Mom, don't pour it over the bench.
Oh my god. Okay, what am I?
Mom,
Come
put it in the
around,
bin.
put it in the bin.
I'll put in the sink.
In the
It's gonna make
sink.
this- Yeah, I'm gonna put it downstairs. Can you?
So are they all off?
Yeah. Well, that one isn't.
Okay, that one's fine.
Well, we're not gonna. We're gonna
Use
check-
that bowl anyway.
Yeah. We're not.
Caster sugar is done. Also, we need to wipe that first egg off the bed.
I don't really want to help anymore.
Oh, come on.
Mom,
Now
can I use
smells
this to wipe it
everywhere.
off?
No.
Whoa. I think they all smell
Okay,
like
they're not
chicken because they came out of
and
chicken
then you just
breast.
filter it like this.
Oh, cool.
Okay, and you just filter it.
So right now, what this is called is separating the egg white from the yolk. The recipe said that we only need 6 eggs, but we're gonna do 7 because the egg's quite small.
All right.
So Artie had to leave because he kind of cracked the sides while he was separating the yolk. Pun intended. To whisk egg whites in a clean dry bowl until soft peaks form. Gradually add sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. It says tablespoon, not teaspoon. Beating well after each addition until meringue is thick and glossy and sugar dissolved. Rub a little meringue between fingers.
That's
It's
fine.
still gritty. How do you do this, Mom?
I'm not sure. Yeah. Maybe a bit more. Yeah.
Now we're adding the sugar gradually. So you have to feel it to see if the sugar has dissolved if it's still gritty. So I'm gonna do that. But that was a lot. Oh, it ain't gritty. I'd say tablespoon.
Just, yeah, okay, use a tablespoon then. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, so now we're putting in a teaspoon of cornstarch. If I could get a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, ready? Same, so just one?
Yep. Okay, that time.
You just go like this, and then you just dunk it in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then alright, so now it's time to put it in the oven. How do I do it?
Just put it on top, yeah.
I can't without sliding the paper back.
That's fine. Okay.
Alright guys, so we had to leave the meringue to cook for like an hour and a half. So while I'm waiting, whoa, sorry for the explicit language. Just cut that out. Yeah, anyway. So while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna go skateboarding at the school for like an hour or so until meringue cooks, and then we're gonna go decorate it. Ayy.
Oh yeah, no, that's enough. Because it's only a small meringue.
Okay, ready?
No, you gotta beat it until it's like stiff.
Do you add sugar or vanilla?
I don't think so. There's enough sugar in there.
Yeah.
Whipping potatoes, cream, butter, sugar.
Just cream it until it's like it all
Wait. Beating eggs, egg whites. Oh, we should have gone on tomorrow.
It's fine. Just do it for a while. I think so. I don't think so.
No, it's too much.
It's too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your choice.
It looks great.
Yeah.